Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be spending a day with me in Reading, and yeah, we'll just explore Reading for a bit. The weather hasn't really been great, but hopefully we'll be able to explore Reading and some of the things and things you can do in Reading, some of the historical sightseeing and other things about the place that may want you to come to Reading. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So hey guys, I just got my hair done, and yeah, so we'll check out a few spots in Reading. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and please continue to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps my YouTube channel. So yeah. Alright guys, so Reading, as you can see, has a lot of parks. And yeah, this is not the biggest park right now, but this is one of the parks or places you can just sit back and relax. And yeah, we'll on our way we'll see other major parks and other places you can visit in Reading. Reading is a really nice place overall, so yeah, stay tuned for that. So guys, this is the Abbey Quarter, some of the historical monuments in Reading. So yeah, it's a very historical monumental place. And if you want to know more about the Abbey Quarter, then just leave a comment and I'll tell you a little bit about the place. But yeah, it's one of the historical places you can find in Reading in particular. The Reading Abbey Quarters, one of the most historic parts of the town. These ruins date back all the way back to the 20th century. This is once one of the most important religious buildings in medieval England, founded by King Henry I, who was also buried here. The Blade. This is probably the most iconic modern structure in Reading. It's the tallest building in the town, standing at 86 meters tall, and you can spot it from quite a distance. The Reading High Street is known as Broad Street and is the heart of Reading's town center, and it includes big name retailers like M&S, H&M, Boots, and also has a very popular shopping mall known as the Oracle. Reading has some nice looking accommodations as well, although it depends on your preference. I know a lot of UK houses look the same and they are not really attractive, but they are pretty functional, and it has most of their accommodations have like everything you need, from kitchen, bedroom. Maybe you will not be living like a lavish life like in Canada, places like Canada and US, but I think all the basic needs are there in most of their accommodations. Reading has a mix of residential areas Some parts have traditional Victorian terrace houses, while others are filled with modern apartments and family homes. It's a pretty diverse town, and the neighborhoods reflect that. The University of Reading is a prominent university in Reading, and the campus is spacious and green with modern buildings alongside older, more traditional ones. Alright, guys, that's it for the Reading tour. Reading is a really nice place to be in, and yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.